Guan Yin Xiao. Guan Yin Xiao. With Tomomi. And our tour guide, Teresa. We will eat. Wow. So many people today because it's Sunday. So now we're going to try the famous Sexy Tea. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's correct, but the translation is Sexy Tea, like me. Joke. Yeah, so everything here needs to scan. You have to scan this. Is Alipay. So I really need the data and Alipay. So I'll try now. So many people. Oh, they have a sample. Oh, that one. Just to try. Let's try. Someone should know. Yeah! Teresa knows. Okay, they just help us because we cannot scan. Right. See, if I'm alone, cannot. Oh, this one. Ceylon. Oh, so they all look alike, but the inside is different. What did you order? Oh, because I think this is the signature one, only for winter.
No.
Oh, no.
One of the signatures. Like this one.
Okay. I ordered the Ceylon. Why I ordered the Ceylon? I do. Okay, we'll go now. We are now going to the food place. So nice. What's your tea? I forgot.
Something.
Something.
Yours is
Mine is Ceylon.
Oolong tea. Oolong. Your oolong.
Maulong.
Street food. 怎么不说话嘞？可以吗？
Si ate, hindi ko naintindihan te. Charot. We're going to the famous noodle shop, I guess. We'll see. How much?
这是10元吗？10元。
The only thing I collect now, because I have a lot of collections, I try to collect the dolls, the spoons. It's crazy. Some people collect mugs, but now I resorted to magnets. So they have so cute ones. Hindi ako makapag-decide. Ito ba? But I think because what we're going to do today is more of a foodie thing, so ito na lang. Pero ito cute din. Ang galing kasi, ano siya, very unique. I don't really have this much. Tapos ito meron din yung parang choo-choo. Okay, so I'll take this one. Grandma! Charot! I want this one. Wow. Xiong Mao.
有熊猫的哦。啊，这个
Panda. Have, yay! Panda. Because my dog will be upset. I betrayed him for This one is also cute. But I'm not sure. Maybe later I can see something more. So I will buy another one.
有哪个是吧？
Diba? Kahit sa street, kailangan Alipay pa din. So, we really need the Alipay. She's so nice.
两个10块，一个10块，支付宝。
And it didn't work again. I am so useless. Guys, buy from Grandma. Souvenirs, okay?
那个10块没？没办法那个。
Malapit na siya from the souvenir magnet, right? This is the famous one. It's like a turu-turu. So here you just find your place. Bahala ka, charot. Ang saya, saya talaga. So I will ask later what's the name of this place. It's like street food. Yan ka lang kakain sa mga tutuan. Small. But they say it's famous. Yan. Ang dami nga kumakain. Tapos may dala. Kaya bumili na kami ng milk tea kanina. Kasi you have to have Ako nagdala kong tubig kasi hindi ako mahilig sa maanghang. So, Teresa, go. Ikaw nang bahala sa amin. Xie Tea. Oh, xie. Last time when we ate in Shanghai also they have tea. So nice also. And then we have our naubos ko na. What is this? This is noodles.
The chickpea noodles.
Oh,
With some, I think it's pork.
that's why last time we got the expensive one. Because we didn't know. Spicy. Spiciness is there. Char. Wow. May paalog. Tofu dessert. Ay, may pa-street food si ate. Diba? Ano ko. Di naman sila masungit dito. Ayun na yun naman yung mga paa. Hindi talaga ako makain ng paa. But maybe I can try. And then, Teresa got us the plastic one. Thank you.
No, it's okay. I like it.
Itadakimasu. Jack was making fun of me yesterday. He said, da. I know that. I know Japanese. Wow. So, do they call this any name or this restaurant?
In Chinese, 板凳面 it means stool noodle. This one, the chair noodle.
Chair noodles, bench noodles, Fanton mi,
板凳面
Fanton mian.
is noodle.
Oh, because you eat it in like small chairs like this. It's so cute. Fanton mian. So you try first because Fanton mian. Originally, like, it must be spicy, right? For Chongqing, they love spicy. But maybe
What's this? Beef?
chickpea for like the hummus. It smells good. We will try. How is it? Okay, not very spicy. Little only.
Just nice.
It's good. Here.
320或者330，快了。
It's so good. It's very unique. It has chickpea. Usually they make this for the hummus. So I'm like, how? But it's good. And for you guys, it's a little spicy only, right? It's spicy! For me, it's spicy! But I can do it. So I always bring my water. Because it's spicy. But it's good. I love it. It's something different.
I think I want
Nice,
nasi
nice.
lemak is more spicy. This one okay.
Oh.
13号到现在30号，17天了。我爸居然今天主动问我还有生活费没。At first I was not sure I can eat, so I just tried small portion. But
And
you know,
onion.
if you are spicy, you eat this.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nice.
I have also my bread. That's why I always bring bread. If you notice, if I'm even on board, if I can eat spicy, and then I just eat the bread to remove the spicy. Dragon.
I like this one.
Mm.
给人家的味道不是很好。
关键就是
This is
有
very
卤味儿，
famous, right? This stall.
没那
Or
么
not really?
This one is famous.
It's because it's
I
good.
mean, this bench noodle is one of the famous in Chongqing, but they have different like shop, different brand.
Ah, okay, but this is just one. I can see because it's cheap. 25, right?
25 for this
Including
and
yes, and so good. Like the noodles itself is not soggy. It's perfect. Ah, the taste also. 100. Our tour group leader. Yeah, tour group leader. Nice. Nice. So this one is dry. And you can ask them not to be so spicy, like for me. But that one I think is very spicy.
看它的三盒
Mala
是
times
是哪三
100. So nice.
其实肉
Sausage, yeah. It's not my favorite, but I eat. Additional. Try. Sausage. We copy from our neighbor, that's why. We can try the sausage. It's very hot. Sausage. If we wanna go here, what do we type at A
就放这儿
map?
吃，放这儿吃。
Bed.
面条就是跟我们那个一样是吧？碱面，
Oh, and they will,
碱水面。
and then they will just point here. Oh, okay, nice.
闻呐，没啥味道。
对啊，没味道的。
Bench noodle in Guangming Shao. Because you said there's a lot of place, right? But they will just point
这是真可
here.
以。不是啊？
This is called Afu bench.
Afu. AFU.
Maybe you take a photo. Next time you go for this one. Afu.
Yeah, because we cannot read Chinese. Better. This is their dessert. It's like a halo-halo because it has a ice. It's a tofu. I think it should be sweet. Nice, that's nice. Is there anything colder? Like maybe on December? Is it gonna be colder in China? And then January?
Last year I came here in December.
Oh, it's very
I
cold.
wear one thick winter.
Oh. So yeah, this is just the perfect weather. If colder, it outside. If hot, also
It's sweating.
to try tofu. So when we eat it, just the tofu, not including the.
You can eat.
Can eat. Okay, first let's try the tofu only. Oh, we have similar like this in Philippines, but it's like a taho because it's tofu, and with the syrup. But the twist is they have the ice, so it becomes like a halo-halo. Something like that. Halo-halo taho. What about the ice? Let's try the ice. Yes, it's like a taho. We have the same, but it has a twist. It has ice. In Philippines, they sell like the man with the container. He will just say taho, and then you will buy this. This is the original taho from China. We copy everything from China, maybe. Same.
There's a sesame inside.
So it's really like taho. But ito, ano siya?
Nice.
Buo, isang buo ang taho.
看我干嘛呀？
Did you like it? The taho? Taho. What is it called? Pudding.
This is tofu.
Dessert. Tofu dessert. Tofu.
You can call it pudding.
Pudding also. Wow. Hey, bench. What is this bench? Mien. Mien. Bench noodles. Okay. So welcome to Chongqing. We have to wait for the perfect time. Welcome to Chongqing. So many people offer services. Grabe, ang bilis naman. The Ayamanchong one. That one, you have to wait. Oh! what we are looking for. Alright, so nakapag-picture na tayo sa I am in Chongqing. I am in Chongqing, right? It says there. So, now I only understood that the people, the photographer, are showing us the photo. I am in Chongqing. Actually, we didn't ask how much. Maybe it's not that expensive, but mafifulus. No money. No, just kidding. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero sige. Ito tayo dito. Such a route. Wow! Sunod-sunod tayo sa kanila.
上来场外面买油买有售，哎，从这片场过来回来啊，谢谢现在的啊。
Naman. Pwede kang magbugas, tapos pwede mo na rin matry. Ah! Pwede makagusto mo bumili. Charot! Really nice products. Ang ganda sa kamay. Exfoliating. And then you can take. Ah! Diba? So nice, ah. Shop. The search for another famous food. That. What is this? Thank you. Marshmallow? Oh, not cheese. Marshmallow. Kakaiba marshmallow. We are looking for the famous mashed potato. This one, chips. Oh, they also have the dim sum. Wow, ang daming foodie. Okay, finally, we reached the place that they said is nice. So we tried. Usually the potato place. Different kind. Thin, slice, spicy, small, mashed.
还有前面吃啊。来吧，吃完。
You can choose the hot ones also. Ayun na yung mga magnet. 3.9 only. Same as nanay. But I want to help her. So it's okay. See, that's how you say it's not for me. It's for me. It's okay. It's just a little. I can smell a little bit. Spicy.
Compared to the noodle,
This one is not. Okay.
very curry, right? I can say manga or something.
Nice. Nice. So this one is famous here. No, this brand. This brand. Oh, but there's also some store. Free for 30 minutes per hour. Oh, so this is a power bank, guys. I was asking what is this. So you just scan the QR, free 30 minutes, and then per hour is CNY 10 within 24 hours. Can you return it anywhere or same
Anywhere
with this one? Wow, nice. Ah, ang galing. If you paid, it will go out from the slot and then you can charge. So, yan. Pag wala na kayong battery, because when you use the data, it's gonna drain fast. So, we're going now to some photo op places. Let's go. So, we reached the street. Kapagod. Pataas siya. Taas-taas. hot already. Going up. It's so Christmassy here. So many bazaar. But it's difficult to go here. You have to climb. Climb. Huh? Cow? A cultural street. Hello, Corky. So cute. Wow.
Oh, maybe nighttime also.
Beichang? Is it read as Beichang? This one? Beichang. Cultural street. Hala! Magugustuhan niya ni Bunny. So many dogs here. The corgis here also. Wow. So many souvenir shops, China, teacups, and this. So nice. Oh, voodoo. Charot. Alright, so next stop is the famous Sumay. Sumay. Oh, diba? If kasama natin ang marunong, we get the best. Yeah. Pork meat. May surprise pa pala siya sa ilalim. Wow! Yes, it's so big and it looks really good.
It's not like normal.
I think it's very clean. The nice. Makan. Ano ba na butas? I already, ayan, wala na. Butas na siya. I broke it. Piece by piece. Ano ba yan? Try natin. Hey, we made it! Thank you so much to the team. We sleep first and fly back to Kuala Lumpur.